Hi everybody, it's Cody Vogel here, sales agronomist for Yara in northern Alberta. Just wanted to take some time to talk about YaraVita PROCOTE copper and just around copper needs for your farm. So start off, just take a look at what it looks like across Western Canada as far as copper needs. This is information compiled from our Mega Lab, which takes into account whole tens of thousands of soil samples over the past 5, 6, 7 years, I think it is, and gives an idea at what soils are deficient are. So speaking specifically to copper, if we work our way from east to west, Manitoba, 33% of the soils are deficient in copper. Saskatchewan, that same number, 33% as well. And Alberta, we've got 56% of our soils. So copper deficiency is becoming a significant problem across Western Canada. So what does copper do in the plant? So if we take a look at it, it's involved in photosynthesis. It's a catalyst for photosynthesis. So it really is needed to maximize that photosynthesis that's going on in the plant. It's also lignification of cell walls, so it's required for good standability of the crop. Pollen formation, it's involved in that, so getting good viable pollen and fertilization of the flowers. So it's really involved in that grain formation and quality component. And another component to that grain formation and quality, it's an enzyme involved in carbohydrate and protein metabolism. So very important, need it lots throughout the growing season and not just at one specific time. If we take a look here, you can see what some copper deficiency looks like, and that right picture there is just a classic one that we tend to see. I will see it across a lot of my fields in the summertime. You'll get to see that stuck in the boot look, that twisted flag leaf, and it really impacts the yield and quality of that grain. So why copper? Like, why is it so hard to get into the plant? Well, you really need root interception of copper. If you look at the image there, it really shows that 2 to 4 millimeters is all that copper is going to move. So you really require that root to intercept it. And this image here shows that as well. Root uptake percentage, it shows that 70% of the copper taken up is through intercepted root. So that root has to find that copper. And what's a way to solve that problem? Well, with YaraVita PROCOTE, we're taking and we're coating the granular fertilizer that you're already putting down. So we get multiple feeding sites throughout the field. And you can see on the left, just an illustration showing that each granule is coated and you're going to have access to nutrients versus what maybe a traditional granular micronutrient fertilizer where you get one. If that actually, plants have trouble accessing it. And if you look on the right, it shows that. So a 100-pound fertilizer rate with urea on a 10% SBU, we're going to get 7 granules per linear foot of urea, and you're going to have access with using PROCOTE access on that granule of urea or phosphorus or whatever it may be. You're going to have micronutrient access. So YaraVita PROCOTE, better nutrient access. It improves your fertilizer handling because it is oil-based, and it does increase your ROI. So thanks for taking the time to listen to this little quick video here. I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to hear more information. As well, you can take the time and reach out to your local regional sales manager or sales agronomist. And lastly, if you want more information, you can go to yaracanada.ca. Thank you.